Hey guys, how's it going? It's Armin Molina back again with another workout. This one's gonna be pyramids. It's pretty simple. That's the name of the workout, pyramids. We're gonna do pull-ups, and then we're gonna get down to the pull-up bar, do the exact amount of pull-ups that we just did as push-ups, and then air squats. So we're gonna go easy. We're gonna go up to 10. So we're gonna do one, and then one pull-up, one push-up, one air squat. 2 pull-ups, push-ups, 2 air squats, all the way to 10. And then we're gonna go 10, so we're gonna repeat 10. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're gonna be done. So it is a pretty good workout. Again, it's mostly all your body. It's gonna be some of your back and some of your arms and your legs, obviously. So it's gonna be more or less a full body workout. Before this, make sure you guys stretch out properly. Afterwards, make sure you guys do a cool down. I would do half a mile just to warm up and then half a mile cool down. Alright, so I'm gonna go run. Alright, so switch over to the GoPro. We're gonna go work out. And I'm gonna try to edit out of this. Last time I made a video from the GoPro, it was like very bad quality and I just didn't like it, but we'll give it another try. Whoop! I almost forgot this little stand. That's why I wanted to do record on the GoPro, because of this little stand. So let's do it. Alright guys, so like I said, pretty simple. Let's hit it. I'm wearing a sweater now because I want to sweat a little bit doing it. Like I said, half a mile run and then workout, half a mile run, cool down. Cool down, just stretch out and should be good. Pull-ups are supposed to be this way. But in the Marine Corps, pull-ups are considered this way or this way, so you can do either or. Alright, as long as you start from a dead man hang, pull-up, you should be fine. One thing with it is I am too tall for this. I'm actually kind of short, honestly, but I'm too tall for this one right now. Like I said, the workout is simple, guys. It's just one pull-up. Show you right now. Just go like this and then hang. 1. There you go. Now I can't go more up because I'm gonna take my head right here. But there you go, 1. Alright? And then 1 push-up. Straight quick. Boom. Boom. 1. And then 1 air squat. Easy. And I would rest. So, in boot camp, we actually do this a lot. You're gonna be doing pyramids of 15, 20, even 30. It all depends on what level you're in. You're not gonna be doing pyramids of 30 if you've never done a pull-up before. So, we're gonna be right now at 6 pull-ups, 6 push-ups, and 6 air squats. So, easy day.
Go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder. 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 Go crazy.
Alright, so real quick, if you guys are not used to doing pull-ups, you might not be able to do as many as I can do. I still want you to go to pyramids till 10. So regardless of however many you can do, I still want you to go to 10. If you can find a partner that you can grab your legs and help you lift you up, that would be great, as long as you can do all 10. If you can't, if it's just you, what I would do is, actually I'm just gonna go until I can't no more, and then I'll show you guys. Pretty sure on this set I'm gonna have to show you guys. But nevertheless, let's hit it. And we're at 8, I believe. So. See that? So 6. I need 2 more. What I want you to do is just quickly do that. Go here. 7. Get off quickly and go 8. 8. That's it. All right, for now. So now we're doing that. One thing that I do, once I can't do any more pull-ups, is just do that. Try to hit one, let go, and then go for another one, let go, until I get to whatever, however many I need to do. Do it. Six. That's 6. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm barely able to push up now, or pull up now. That's completely fine. I'm at 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's always in 3. Just gonna rest a little bit and then hit it. Say you can go like this, whichever way you want. I'm gonna switch it up now and try to do them like that. Like that's gonna work out my bicep a lot more. That's good. So we can get some good, you know what I'm saying? So let's do it.
Crazy.
Alright, so we just finished 9, so we're about to go into 8. Just remember, can't do it anymore. Take off a little jump, do something. Doesn't matter what it is, just try to get those numbers. Alright, force yourself to actually get that rep. Now, if it's like an 80% or above rep, we're good. But if below that, like something like this, like it doesn't count. Get a little stool or something so that you can pull yourself up more. Alright, something very, very big is not get discouraged if you can't do the same amount as me, the same amount as somebody else. Don't get discouraged. Get encouraged to actually get to that level. Continue to actually do pull-ups, push-ups, and all the exercises so you can continue to get better. Okay? The worst thing that you can do for yourself, once again, is to give up on yourself. Don't ever give up on yourself. Continue to push, continue to exercise until you get to the level where you want to be. Alright? The level right now, 10 reps, 10 increments. That's what I want you to try for, go for. If you can't go down, then just go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go run your mile, a mile and a half. That's fine. That's good. But if you want to push yourself more, if you're already done with 10 and you feel like you can still go for more, then go for more. Don't just stop. Continue to progress. Continue to make yourself better. If you know that you suck at pull-ups, start doing more pull-ups. Know yourself and seek self-improvement. Anyways, it's a lot of talking. Let's go to 8. Finished the workout, but because instead to go from it all and stuff, I think the last set that was recorded on set number 5. So I'm just gonna go from 4, 3, 2, 1. It is what it is. Not only that, but at least with the ones that I already did, make up for the ones that I did with like super bad form. Right now, I'm gonna do extra ones for footage and then call it a day. just finished my run and everything. Half a mile. So I did half a mile and then pyramids and then another half a mile. So to finish it off, in my opinion, it's a pretty easy workout. Well, intermediate, I should say, because it does kill your back and your arm, kills your hands too. Hurts pretty bad. But anyway, yeah guys, that was a workout. I hope that you guys are good. If you guys want to switch it out, so you're barely starting, go up to 5 and then down. Or you can go all the way to 10, but not down, that's fine. And then go to 10. If you can go all the way to 10 and you're still like good, go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bootcamp, you're gonna start doing that stuff. They have the recruits do that. Those pyramids, like after bootcamp, you're able to go do pyramids of like 20, 25. It's pretty simple. I just haven't done pyramids in a long time, so it is what it is. It's not an excuse, it's just me being honest. I'm still able to do my 23 pull-ups though, so 100 points for me. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. So yeah guys, if you guys want to hit me up with that like button, comment down below if you have any questions on how to do any of the exercises or what to do if you can't go all the way up or whatever. I have little tips and tricks for that. Go ahead and also share if you can with your friends and family, especially if you know someone's about to go to boot camp or is planning on becoming a Marine. Even if they're not planning to become Marines, if they're going to join the Department of Defense in any of the branches, you're more than welcome to follow the program. It's easy to see and easy to emulate. If I'm able to prepare someone to go through the United States Marine Corps boot camp, I can prepare anyone to go through any other basic training. It's that simple. You don't believe me? Look it up. Facts. Anyways, guys, I'll see you around. All right? Peace.